Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some baked chicken wings, and I'm gonna also make a sweet chili sauce with it. Okay, so in my glass bowl right here I've got at least 1 pack of chicken wings that I already washed and cleaned in some lemon juice. And I'm not gonna cut my chicken wings, I'm gonna make it all just like so. Okay, these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of my Cajun seasoning right here. I also have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of my onion and salt powder seasoning. Okay, and I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of my jerk powder seasoning. Yes, so guys, don't forget to share. Please share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Don't forget also to give me a big thumbs up. Thumbs the video up, guys. And thank you all. So first thing I'm gonna start off, I'm gonna add at least 2 teaspoons of my olive oil to my chicken wings, just to keep it moist. Then I'm gonna add my seasoning. Okay, this is gonna be so delicious. I love chicken wings. You can do so many things with it. Black pepper. And I also have a small amount of my paprika, and I'm just gonna add it like so. That's at least 1 teaspoon. If you have more, you can always use more. So now I'm just gonna take my nice clean hand, and you just want to massage all those seasoning all over on your chicken wings. You want to make sure that everything is all combined. Okay, so guys, make sure that all the wings is all coated in the seasoning. Okay, look at that, it looks so good. And you can always leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes, or if you don't have the time, you just cook it as it is. As long as you season your meat or your chicken nicely, it will still be delicious. Something I do all the time. So this is perfectly seasoned. Yeah. So guys, here I have my baking tray, and to my baking tray I had a file paper, as you can see, and a grill on top. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add at least 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, so my chicken wing doesn't dry out when it's in the oven. And then I'm just gonna spray some of my olive oil to my baking tray and to the rack. Then I'm gonna add my chicken wings on top, and I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys, for at least 30 minutes. Okay, and 180 degrees Celsius. These chicken wings look so good. They are nicely seasoned. And guys, you don't have to add no salt, okay? Because you know that, the seasoning, some of the seasoning already have a bit of salt, so you don't have to add any salt, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray some of my olive oil to my chicken wings. So now guys, I'm gonna put my chicken wings in my oven. Okay, so guys, I just removed my chicken wings from the oven, and this is what it look like. I'm telling you, it looking so good, nice and golden, and that's exactly how I want it. Look at that, guys. It's been in the oven just over 30 minutes. Okay, And there's some juices at the bottom. And what you can do, you can just coat your chicken wings with it. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip it over, okay? And I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 25 minutes. Because you want the other side, guys, to brown up. I'm gonna spray some of my olive oil, and in the oven it goes. Stay tuned. So guys, I just removed my chicken wings from the oven, and this is what it looked like. And what I did for the last 5 minutes, I flip it back over and I put my oven on broil, okay? Because I want my chicken wings to be, you know, nice and crispy and browning up even more. As I can see, let I get my fork. It is crispy. Look at that, guys. Perfect. It's ready for the sauce. So these are all of my ingredients to make my sweet chili sauce. So here I have at least just over 1 tablespoon of my chili crush, and these are the dry one, as you can see. I also have 2 teaspoons of my brown sugar right here. You can always use granulated sugar. Some honey, just over 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of my ketchup. Yes. So guys, here I have my pot on my stove, and to my pot I add at least 2 teaspoons of my olive oil, and my stove is on a medium heat. You don't want to turn up your heat too much. Then I'm gonna add 2 cloves of garlic that I chop, okay? And you're just gonna allow them to saute, guys, for at least 30 seconds, okay? So now, guys, I'm gonna add at least 3 tablespoons of water, okay? And I'm adding warm water. So now that I had my water, I'm gonna add some of my Cajun seasoning, and I'm gonna add at least ½ teaspoon. Give it a stir. Then I'm gonna add my chili seed. I'm gonna add my sugar. My honey. And my ketchup. You want to give it a stir so everything will all combine. It looks so good. And I'm gonna add just a drop of my browning. You can always use some dark soya sauce, at least 1 teaspoon. But you know, browning is very dark, so you don't need to add a lot. That's it. Yeah, that's it. And what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna leave it for at least 1 minute, okay, for it to come to a boil. Guys, my sauce is all finished. And what I did, I turned my stove off, okay? And this is what it look like. You don't want it to be super thick, okay? This is perfect. I'm telling you, it tastes so good. So here I have my bowl right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my chicken wings to my bowl, okay? Then I'm gonna add my sauce to it. Yeah. So now guys, I'm gonna take my sauce and I'm just gonna pour it on my chicken wings, okay? Look at that. So delicious. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna mix it all together like so. Guys, honestly, it looks so good. I'm gonna add some more of my sauce. So guys, it is all coated and this is what it look like. I'm telling you, it looking super delicious. This recipe right here is a must try. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is just amazing, guys. So good. If you try this recipe, don't forget guys to comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? So now guys, I'm just plating up my chicken wings. I'm telling you, it came out so perfect. This recipe right here is a must try. You all is gonna enjoy it. It is so flavorful. Don't forget guys to share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Much love. So delicious.